It's Frank, Stonelink Property Management here at 40 Aldrich Street, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. It's a first floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent, newly renovated throughout. Start the video tour when you first walk in. Got your living room area here, very spacious, high ceilings, big windows for plenty of natural light. Huge closet here. Handicap accessible ramp outside. To my left, you get the large kitchen area, plenty of countertop and cabinet space, gas stove, double sink, refrigerator, another entrance on that side, brand new washer dryer, staying in the unit. You got your 2 bedrooms here. Big enough for a queen set, possibly a king. This one here, big enough for a queen set, also possible for a king. Yeah. Bathroom here. Handicap accessible shower there. If you'd like to apply for 40 Aldrich Street, Woonsocket, Rhode Island, click that apply now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.